We want a taste of what they're loving in their own kitchen, the spices they reach for the most, the seasonings they smother on everything, the flavor they can't get enough of. It's their latest flavor of the week, so Marguerite is in the hot seat for that as well. What flavor are you currently crushing on?
Well, it's not just one flavor, it's many flavors.
Okay.
And so it's this little magical jar.
May I? Yes.
And
hold on, is it from Trader Joe's?
it's surprise.
This is not sponsored by Trader Joe's, but you should be. What is
I know,
it?
Right? Okay, so it's called sofrito. And it's a combination, I had to write it down because there's so many of them.
What do we got?
So we have dried onions and dried garlic.
Okay.
Sea salt, tomato flakes, crushed chili peppers, parsley flakes, crushed red pepper, dried rosemary, and sage
It
leaves.
smells like Thanksgiving dinner in a jar.
I know. So, like, you could put it in here.
Let's do it.
Let's
do it.
You know what? A quarter of a teaspoon.
Okay. That's all you need. Yeah, it's very aromatic. Yeah.
Yeah. You put more than that, and then you're just like, oh my God.
I can't wait to cook with that. What do you normally sprinkle it on? Give us just a few other ideas.
I put it in my tomato sauce.
Okay.
I put it on grilled meats.
Okay.
If I'm putting it outside on the grill.
Okay.
Soups, it's great in
Ooh,
soups.
I can't wait to try that.
Yeah,
Sofrito blend.
Sofrito.
Okay.
Yep.
Marguerite, we love you. Thank you so much.
Okay.